This today's topic we are going to about buttons and shapes. Why this helps in our go to the next page, jump to the next page, go back to the some other page, like page navigations. It's work as if we take any buttons and shapes. Why? Because suppose there are many 20 pages in my report. So if I want to jump from second page to 18th page, what we need to do? We need to go like this, then select, then do like this. Like this, we need to do. So whatever we have created till now, West region, South region. But from first page, I want to go to the next page, like any of the page. Just best example is our textbook or any of the books. There is the index is there, right? In that index, their page number is given. Suppose we don't want to read first lesson, that we need to jump to the fifth lesson. So we see the page number, and from that page information, we goes to the next page, whatever page is there. Any number is there, we jump to that. We skip all the pages. We don't want to read that. Just want to go to the chapter 5. Same way in Power BI also, with the help of shapes, buttons, visuals, we can jump to the next page. That are buttons and shapes. So buttons are related insert. Here we are tabs, so insert modeling, optimize it. In insert, we have buttons and shapes. So we will look first buttons. Buttons, there are left arrow, right arrow, reset, back. Like these buttons are there. If you want to go back to the page, we use this back button. But back button, what we can do, we can give the action item. We'll see what we can do. One west region data and one south region. And suppose this file is here. What we need to do there, page 12, page 30, then south. Instead of this, what we can take this button, take the tiny button here. Just wherever is fit, looks good, we can keep there. Just then there is shape. What shape it got? Go on this, the very little is one. Shapes, rectangle, different shapes are there. Whatever you want. Explore everything. We'll not go for everything. Right triangle like this. Right now we'll take. Wait. Once you select, then only this format button option. So if you select, see what shape, style we want for the river. But I will let you know what should be the text in between them. Okay. What should be border? What do we want to know? Border is not. How will what should be? Field, which field we want? Say, green. Okay. Text form. Now this is we need to go to south. South. Doing go south. So this button which helps to jump to this page, south region page. If you click on this, it should go to the south region. But for that, there are some process or some steps we need to follow. After you again select that, we have a picture button. Just on the section. After on that, it will show type. You want to go back, bookmark, to page navigation, whatever. So now we are taking page navigation because we need to jump to the next page. So page navigation will say. Then which is the destination? What is our destination? So we need to go to the south region. That's it. Here, select. So click Control plus click here to follow link. So we have given the action for this button. So now we need to jump to the south region. Just we need to go here. Click Control and just click on this button. So we come to the south. Okay. And now again we need to go to west region. How will we go? We need to jump there. Now it's showing here the west. No need to use this channel. We jump to the west region. Okay. For that, again we can what we can do, just go to south. Here we copy this button. Copy. Because already we have formatted this. Go to south region. Paste. Okay. Everything is there. Now we need to just rename it. How we will rename it? Go to style. Instead of south, go to complete west. To west view. It's working now. No, it's not working. Why? Why can you anyone tell? Why it's not working? Because given the navigation action is on, but it's not going to the west page. Yeah, Pulvusha, Sangeeta, Anjali.
So maybe we haven't given a link.
You can give it. So it's on page navigation,
Sir, I think we should give the same name.
same. So everything we have done, we are given go to west, action is on. We are on south page, we jump to west page. Like for example, west, how we select it goes to south. See, it's goes to south. From here we need to go to west.
First.
Same. I'm pressing control plus doing action is also on. Why this is not happening? Part to okay. So the reason behind is that you have not updated the destination. This is the major question, as well as like everyone stuck here. Every click buttons beautifully forward everything, but they forget to put the destination. See, destination west. Well, if we go, so the station is south. If you go to the south page, and if you go select destination, now from the west, which is west. Came right, go to south. South we came. Yeah. Yes, in your asking question.
No, sir.
Yes. Like this is a page navigation in Power BI. Okay. But suppose from this you have jumped to some other page. Let's suppose this page. And again you came here. But again you don't want to go to this west page. But whatever the last page you have visited, that we need to show. For that, we are on search button. There is a back. So So name itself is a back button. What is this action? Goes back. By default, it's a back button. Anyway, copy. If we are using page navigations, somewhere we should give this page navigations.
So for navigation, for which pages we have given particularly for that pages it will navigate or
Yeah, that particular page only it will navigate. It will not navigate to another. Over here, in back, when we back here, find the best back because to this way. Okay. Afterwards, I went for page two. Okay. Here I've gone again. We see, okay, this overall, and I've gone to south. Select the objective. So we can see, okay, 391 is there to south. What's the, we'll check what is the status and everything. Yeah. Again, if you want to go back, instead of going, if this click on this 14 page, you click on this control, back button. From here, which page? Back button, this page. From which page you have gone to that page, it will go to that page only, like back button. Okay. Go to west, then come to south. Now click on this button, it will go to west. Why? Because this last page was this one. Suppose if you come here, if you go to west region again, what was the last page we have visited? Just go to go to the back page. Okay, it's like undo from where we have come. It will take back to us there. Any questions on this? This is very important. Like for page navigations, for creation of indexes, like landing page you can see. First page what will be.
sir,
Yes.
sir, we cannot give that button. If you want to go forward means forward button, back means back button directly.
Yeah, that is there, but most of the time we don't use forward button. Why? Because already page navigation is there. Like it's not like that. Everyone will go page by page only. So for that we are doing the page navigation. From which page you want to go to that. If you want to go line wise, this option is fine. Page 1, page 2, 17, 18, 19. But to jump from first page to 18th page, that time we require this page navigations.
Okay.
Now more formatting on this. If you go shape, default, stylus, right? By default, it is this much. But if you hover on that, just hover on that, see italic, the line, font color should be suppose color, red. it should be. So we will taking what it will show. See it changes. Okay. Or means we are just hovering on that. So it's like looks like it's a interactive button. So when it happens, for example, just a sure. It's one button. Then as then. But if you want to see, this also is interactive. It's also there. This also is there. So like we're playing with the buttons, like okay, if you click on this, s- someone don't know the functionality of Power BI. You see what is happening. Okay, it's only the buttons is there, nothing like that. But if you hover on this, it shows, okay, click here. So you come to know like it's an interactive button, it will take to some other page to us. We can control. Back. Here it shows us click and control, but in web version, it will just we will click here. Then it will go to that page. After page navigation bar. Okay. And back to that. In this way we can change the colors. On over. Then on press also, like there is another is the so on press should not be bold. On color should be orange. Field color should be mm, yeah. So if you can draw, you click. It's not showing here, but by default, you can see the color changes. It's changing. See again. Orange is the okay. So most of the time we use hover because when you click on that, it doesn't work. Like we cannot see on press. Okay, disable. Right. This is default on press and on over. So most of the time we use on over button. So it's like it's an interactive button. So anyone has curious device showing color, we will go and just see whatever the details are there. Okay. Any questions on this pre-navigation? So like that, you will explore all these buttons, whatever you is present here. Navigations are the page navigation, quick navigation. So we have seen the page navigation today. Any questions on this?
No, sir.